Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
There are a lot of recipes that we refrain from attempting at home just because they look too intimidating. I'm going to change that today. Today we're going to make a cheese fondue at home with very simple ingredients. So originally cheese fondue is made using white wine. We're going to use apple juice instead, so even your kids can have this recipe. So I have 1 cup of apple juice here, which I'm going to add to a pan. Let's switch on the gas and bring this to a boil. So till the apple juice is boiling, let's talk about the cheese. You can use any kind of cheese that you like, cheddar, Emmental, mozzarella, anything. So today we are using mild cheddar and dark cheddar. Our apple juice is boiling, so let's add cheese little by little into the pan. About 2 tablespoons at a time. And start mixing it. Once the cheese melts, add some more. Our cheese fondue is now ready. I'm turning off the gas. Now I'm sure not everybody has a fondue set at home. I don't either. So I'm going to use a stand that came with a casserole. On top of that, I'm going to keep a pan that fits perfectly in it. This is ceramic, so it won't burn if we keep a candlelight under it. That's what I'm going to do now. This will keep the cheese nice and melted. Let's pour our cheese into the pot now. You can serve it with a lot of different things. I'm using some bread today, some sliced apples, carrots, cherry tomatoes, and steamed broccoli. So you saw how easy it was to make cheese fondue at home. I really hope you try this recipe out. Like this video and share it with everyone you know, and I'll see you next time.